Careps is a consortium of three main businesses. That's property marketing, Careps movers and logistics, Careps business advertising. Under Careps marketing, we mainly deal with modern apartments for rent or ready to let. Then we also deal with property management. And lastly, we deal with furnished holiday apartments. Under movers and logistics, we handle household logistics and relocations of clients. Then we also handle office relocation and setup. And lastly, we deal with the home arrangement. Under Careps business advertising, here we help clients who have businesses or companies and would like to reach more clients. We offer them marketing services through our channels. You may be wondering why we have a US flag, maybe with the Kenyan flag. Actually, we have a number of clients in the United States, and majority of our other clients, of course, are from Kenya. And we offer good services, and we beseech you and we ask you to always reach us for more services under our Careps. We also offer insights on properties, as we shall be posting with time on our channel. So you might really wish to follow our channel. Kindly subscribe and also invite others to like our channel.